In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set budgets and targets in Monzo using the Trends tab. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app, how to set sensible limits, and how to keep refining them so your spending stays on track. Start by opening the Monzo app on your phone and tapping Trends in the bottom menu. Trends is your money overview. It pulls together what you've spent and where so you can see patterns at a glance. Once you're in, take a second to notice the breakdowns by category and any charts or summaries that show how your money is moving over time. This context will help you make realistic choices in the next steps. From the Trends screen, go to Targets. This is where you turn insights into action. Targets let you tell Monzo how much you want to spend each month, either across everything or within specific categories. Think of it as guardrails. You decide the limits, and Monzo helps you stay within them. Now set monthly spending limits for categories like groceries, entertainment, or transport, or choose an overall budget that covers your day-to-day spending. Pick numbers that reflect your real life, not an ideal you can't sustain. A helpful approach is to look at what you've spent in previous months in each category and use that as a starting point. If you often spend a certain amount on groceries, set your target close to that, then trim gradually if you want to save more. You can fine-tune each category so your total adds up to an overall plan that feels achievable. If you prefer simplicity, set one overall budget first, then adjust individual categories only where you tend to overspend. Once your targets are in place, track and adjust your goals based on your previous spending patterns. Revisit Trends regularly to see how you're pacing through the month. If you're burning through a category faster than expected, lower spending in other areas or reduce discretionary purchases for a week. If you're consistently under your limit, that's a sign you can tighten the target next month and save a bit more. Use what Monzo shows you about your past spending to guide each tweak, and don't be afraid to adjust mid-month if life changes. Checking in once or twice a week keeps you proactive instead of surprised at the end of the month. That's it. Open Monzo and tap Trends, go to Targets, set monthly limits by category or an overall budget, and keep tracking and adjusting using your own spending history. With a few thoughtful tweaks, you'll build a budget that actually works for you.